Well, first we'll sand this, add black adhesive to seal it, and then or rocker guard spray, rubberized to protect it from chipping. This front side's smooth, sealed, watertight. Well, you can see I used rivets. Nice and clean. Well, the car's come a long way. Great line. From cardboard to fiberglass, and now the final stage of Bondo. That's the front. Check that out. So clean. Again, nice line. Look at that. Really happy with my work. I'm going to do a little more sanding with a soft sandpaper, and then give it a primer, and then let it sit till spring when it's warm enough to paint. So 2 inches on the back, 1.5 on the front. I'll have 11-inch wide rims on the back, 10-inch on the front.
When I was watching the Grammys last night in Chapel